Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset oil life in your Jeep Renegade. First, ensure your vehicle is in park and the engine is off. Then, turn the ignition to the on or run position without actually starting the engine. Next, fully depress the accelerator pedal 3 times slowly within a 10-second period. Finally, turn the ignition back to the off position to complete the reset. This simple process will clear the oil change reminder. To begin, make sure your Jeep Renegade is completely off and in park. Then, with your foot off the brake, press the start button twice to put the ignition in the on or run mode. Do not start the engine. Once the ignition is on, locate your accelerator pedal. You will need to press this pedal all the way to the floor 3 separate times. It's crucial to perform the 3 accelerator pedal presses within a 10-second time frame for the reset to register correctly. After you've completed the pedal sequence, turn the ignition back to the off position. This action saves the new oil life setting. Now, you can restart your Jeep Renegade's engine. The oil change indicator light should now be off, confirming a successful reset. If the oil change light remains on after your first attempt, don't worry. Simply repeat the entire reset procedure, ensuring you press the accelerator pedal fully each time and stay within the 10-second window. Remember, resetting the light doesn't replace an actual oil change. Jeep generally recommends changing your oil every 5,000 to 7,500 miles, depending on your driving habits. For more helpful tips and great deals, including a link to the Oala water bottle, check out the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.